See this right here? MIT did a study on ChatGPT, and it's no surprise. If you've ever attended one of my sessions, you'll know that I don't believe for 1 second that AI is going to replace us. In fact, the more technology comes into our society, the more we are needed to bridge the chasm between IRL in real life and AI. What this article is talking about right now, and I really encourage you to read it, is that LLMs, large language models like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, they are damaging society's critical thinking because they have conversations with it, a very primitive conversation, and they don't realize what they're saying, and they can't even remember the two previous texts or prompts that I just gave it. When you are using your mind, it is amazing what you can output. You are a lot smarter than these machines. Yes, these are like calculators on steroids, but you are smarter. You have experiences. You have things that you can contribute that AI cannot do. You can either manage your use with technology or technology will manage you. Remember back in the day, we were driving and we had a cell phone and we would T9 text. And at the same time, you had to change the CD because we are our own little personal DJs, and you had to open up the CD binder and stick it into the machine. That was way more complicated than what we're doing now. Everything's on your steering wheel. Everything's Bluetooth. It's so much easier. But yet, we have way more accidents. We have more laws in place for distracted driving because we don't know how to operate vehicles anymore because they've gotten smarter and we've gotten dumber. Another issue we have with AI coming in, I don't want to talk about it now before you even see it in the news, is that image generation. With the better image generation and video generation gets with AI, trust and authenticity goes out the window. The greatest book ever written talks about believing without seeing. And the current generation faces a greater challenge about to come up. Believing what you see. That is going to be the real issue. See, I'm an advocate for using AI to grow your business, streamline your tasks, and create efficiency so you can spend more time with the people you love or simply drum up more business. But like all things, if you don't moderate your use with technology, it will begin to moderate you. So take this warning, use it properly, and let's level up together instead of getting dumber. Let's go.